Swipe down to select laser engraver. Click Connect to new machine. Go to Wi-Fi setting. Select Genmitsu Kortek. Enter password 123456778. Go back to Genmitsu app and click Next Step. Select Kortek as the machine model. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password you want the machine to connect to. Click Next Step. Restart the Kortek. Go to the phone Wi-Fi setting. Choose the Wi-Fi you just enter in the app. Go back to the app. Click the link icon. Now you can control the machine. Select a photo in your phone. Trace the image. Adjust the setting to fit your command. Adjust the size and parameters based on the material. Preview. Name your work. Adjust the focus height. Outline and confirm the position. Click Start. Start making your own laser project.